Hyatt Ziva. As you enter, it's a corridor, it's a walnut, it's 3D walnut. On the left hand side, you enter into the master bed. Which is got a huge bed actually. You have your TV, your storage, double door, and this opens into the balcony. As you see, the pool view from this side. And as you go down the main bedroom, you have a full-size walk-in closet with a safe to keep your things in. And this is the bathroom. There you go. Which has got a tub. It's the main bathroom. His and hers wash basins, the toilet, and the shower cubicle. So head out from the main bedroom through the double doors, which you can lock it, close it rather in the night, and enter into the second. Well, this is the living space, and here is the second bathroom. It's a smaller bathroom with a single wash basin, a shower cubicle, and toilet. Entering through the space, you have closet, wardrobe. This is the living room. We have your mini bar, which is usually stocked with goodies, as you can see. Ice box, coffee makers, and this is a sofa cum bed. This was placed by a lovely butlers yesterday because we're departing today. And from this side, you see the whole view. And this is a huge living space too. See right in front there. You can pan out and sit here. And the pool this side, a lot of activities going on. This is a view from the main balcony. Heading back inside again, so this is the second living space, basically. We have a sofa cum bed, which converts into a huge bed. So this is the one bedroom oceanfront butler suite. We have a lovely 3 butlers who take turn to look after us and made our holidays memorable. So this is again the exit.